In this video, we'll add clear history, which will delete all the data from our history table. So let's go to our settings activity. Let's declare database helper variable myDBHelper. Now let's assign our text view clear history equal this clear history. We need to add onClick listener on this clear history. So clear history.set onClick listener, and onClick we assign myDBHelper equal new database helper, and we open the database in a try-catch block, and after that we call this show alert dialog function. Now on to our database helper, we need to create a delete history function. So public void delete history mydatabase.execute_SQL. The query is delete from history. This will delete all the data from history table. So on to our settings activity. Let's create this show alert dialog function. So private void show alert dialog, alert dialog.builder equal new alert dialog. The style is from our styles XML. The title is are you sure, and the message is all the history will be deleted. Now let's add buttons. If the user click yes, then we call this myDBHelper.delete history, and if the user click no, we do nothing. And now we show the dialog. Okay, so let's run the app. I already added some words in the history. These are the words. Currently apple is the most recently searched word. If we type like, we can see the suggestions. Let's click on like. We go to our word meaning activity. Let's go back, and the like is on top. Now let's go to settings. If we click on clear history, we can see our alert. Let's click yes. Let's go back. Now our history is empty. We are seeing this text because the history is empty. Let's search like again. Let's go back. Now we have only like in our history table. The text view is gone because the history is not empty. That is all for this video.